The bird flu is now spreading among cows. Researchers at a Department of Agriculture facility in Iowa are looking for ways to prevent an outbreak before it takes a toll on the dairy industry. Sue Guzman has more.
A small farm in central Iowa may be home to some dairy cows, but their milk is going to a lab instead of the grocery store, as researchers at a Department of Agriculture facility search for answers on how bird flu has ended up in other animals.
This avian influenza virus, which would normally stay in birds, has gone into more than 20 different mammalian species, more than 100 times in 2 years.
The virus has been found in various animals, from dogs to sea lions in recent years, but research at the National Animal Disease Center in Ames, Iowa, focuses on how it has reached dairy cows. As the American Veterinary Medical Association reports, the virus has impacted 64 herds in the country since it was discovered in cows in March.
I think right now it's still an animal health problem, and this is just really bad news for dairy farmers in the United States.
Research shows the virus is likely spread between dairy cows by drinking raw milk from infected cows, but scientists say more testing is needed to understand the spread between species.
We definitely need to consider some other avenues too. So kind of more of a traditional commingling, what happens between animals.
Researchers are also looking for ways to prevent an outbreak from spreading to more animals across the country, including a vaccine for calves to potentially reduce the risk of the virus even spreading to humans. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports multiple human exposures from infected cows.
And the first question we had was just whether their vaccine would immunize the cattle as a species. We're looking for those immune responses to the mRNA vaccine now.
Sue Guzman, Fox News.